Always play video games with your cats. Your cats love to play with you. They like to watch shit on the screen. I gotta think about something. Where I gotta go? Not down there. Obviously through here. It looks delicious in here. You can smell the shame. Come on up there. Jump up. Pull yourself up, big boy. You can't run through there. There's a lot of fire. That looks like that's probably not a good place to go. We're gonna go right on down here. Down the shaft. He's got it lovingly held in his giant hands here. You must be proud of yourself. I got a 15-inch dick. Oh my God.